Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 6th semester. We will discuss the practical session, study of different types of eggs. Example as insects, frog and hen eggs. Okay, firstly I discuss eggs of insects. These are megalethal, polylethal and centrolethal eggs. The cytoplasm of insect egg is limited to periphery. Only whole central place is filled by yolk, and two types of eggs envelopes are present on egg of insect: inner and outer. Inner vitelline membranes, primary eggs membrane, and second one outer chorion, secondary egg membrane. Chorion is thick, hard and ornamented. This ornamentation is taxonomically important in insect. Egg membrane is absent on a definite place. This place is known as micropyle. Micropyle is a place to enter for sperms in egg. Okay. Next, eggs of frog. General comments of eggs of frog. These are mesolethal and telolethal eggs. Two types of egg membrane are present on frog eggs. First, inner membrane known as vitelline membranes, primitive eggs membrane. It is secreted by egg cells. And second one, outer membrane, jelly coat, tertiary eggs membrane. Okay, and all eggs are laid at a time. These eggs are attached together by jelly coat. This group is called as spawn. Spawn formation in frog occurs after false copulations. Okay, and next, eggs of chick or hen. General comments of eggs of chick. These are megalethal or polylethal. Megalethal or polylethal, discoidal and periodics. Yolk is present in large amount and cytoplasm is formed in the form of a dish. This dish is known as germinal dish. Okay, and beneath the germinal dish, yolk is present. On the basis of the color and contents, yolk is of two types. First, alloy yolk. Second, white yolk. Okay, and two cell membrane are present. just beneath the cell. These are made up of keratin. Air pockets or air space is found between cell membranes and in broad part of egg. The outermost part of egg is a cell made up by calcium carbonate. This cell is porous for exchange of gases. Okay, thank you students, and seen these plates X diagram.